Hi everyone, my name is Thanh Huyền. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. Our focus today is on a single word you might already know, phở, Vietnam's word famous noodle soup. But in this lesson, we learn how to pronounce it correctly in the Northern accent by paying close attention to the shape of your mouth, tongue, and the tone. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to shape your lips to produce the phở sound clearly, control your throat and your voice to make the special vowel sound. Use the high tone, dipping raising tone correctly for the word phở. Let's break it down step by step. Phở, one syllable. Okay, now we start with the initial consonant, phở. With your lip shape, gently press your upper teeth on your lower lip. About your airflow, release a soft, quick puff of air. Think of the English sound, but lighter. About your tongue, relax, not touching the roof of your mouth. Repeat after me. Phở, phở, phở. Okay, move on to the vowel. This vowel is written as with the high tone. Your lip shape, lips are relaxed and slightly open, not rounded. Your tongue position, middle of the tongue, lift slightly, sound comes from the throat. Airflow, let the sound flow smoothly with no strong push. Repeat. About the tone, high in Northern Vietnamese. Pitch starts mid, dip down slightly, then rise again. Throat filling, slight tightening as your voice dips, then a smooth release at its rise. Imagine your voice making a little question mark shape. Repeat after me. So, your full combination will be phở. You blend phở with and high tone. Smoothly link them. Phở, phở. Okay, repeat after me. Phở, phở. Now is our practice time. You repeat after me. Phở, phở, phở. Next one is ở. Okay, our combination will be phở, phở, phở. Activity 2. Slow motion combinations. Phở, phở, phở. Great job! Today you learned how to use your lips to create the phở sound. Shape your mouth and throat for the vowel and the high tone to make it raise and fall like a small questions. Remember, practice in front of a mirror helps you see your lips and mouth position. Try saying phở every time you think of Vietnamese noodles. If this breakdown was helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more Vietlingo lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cảm ơn. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. we've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence. And we can help you too.